Hi everyone. Today's presentation is about Android smartphones and tips and tricks for Android users. So the brief history of Android. Android was founded in 2003. The creator of Android wanted to create a camera platform that could be used as a cloud storage for images and videos. Early Android versions were named after desserts, example Cupcake, Marshmallow, and Oreo. The Android operating system now has over 2.5 billion active users. This is a timeline of Android. Android was founded by Andy Rubin, Nick Sears, Rich Miner, and Matthias Duarte in 2003. In 2004, Android changed to become an operating system for smartphones. In 2005, Android was bought by an American search engine company called Google Inc. In 2008, HTC Dream was the first smartphone launched with an Android OS. The pricing of an Android. There is no additional price to install the Android operating system. Any new Android phone will have the OS. Android also comes with pre-installed Google applications. Some features may not be compatible with older devices. Some notable Android brands. Some of these include Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, Motorola, LG, Lenovo, Sony, OnePlus, Asus, Google, Nokia, HTC, and BlackBerry. Phones with Android OS. The best high-end Android phones. Google Pixel 5a. It has a 6.3-inch OLED screen, long battery life, water resistant headphone jack, and the price is $449. Another one is Samsung Galaxy S22. As a 6.1 screen, screens can get incredibly bright, triple camera system, and the S22 also has 10 times zoom and built-in S Pen stylus. The price of this phone is $800. Some cheap Android phones. One of these is OnePlus Nord N100. The storage of this phone is 64 gigabytes and goes up to 256 gigabytes. As an 8MP front camera, it's 6.52 inch screen size. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM and has 5,000 mAh battery, and also has a 90 hertz max display refresh rate. The price of this is $239. The best value phone. Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. The storage of this phone is 128 gigabytes. It has 32 MP front camera, 6.5-inch screen size. It has 6 GBs of RAM and 4,500 mAh battery. Also has a 90 hertz max display refresh rate. The price of this is around $270.48. Pros and cons of Android OS. Some advantages. The design. It has wide ranges of devices to choose from. Expandable memory and better hardware configurations. Highly customizable and able to download third-party apps. Also, it's budget friendly. Android phones come in a wide price range to meet your expectation. Some disadvantages. Having a Google account is encouraged to enjoy the full experience. More susceptible to viruses caused by third-party apps. Lots of bloatware, which is Android phones manufacturers install duplicate apps. Connectivity and networking, which is not as smooth and easy compared to iOS ecosystem. Some tips and tricks for Android users. Tip 1. Enable eye comfort size blue light filter. Blue light filter reduces eye strain. It also displays will have a warmer tone. It can be scheduled for a specific time. You can adjust the color temperatures, and it's helpful in low light condition, and also it's access and enable from the settings app. Tip number 2, always on display. Displays information even when the screen is off, can view date, time, and notifications without grabbing your phone, can be scheduled for certain times, and saves battery but not having to turn your phone on to view information. Tip 3, fingerprint slash face ID. Use biometrics to unlock your phone, much faster and efficient. Don't have to remember your passwords. Increase safety measures as it's more secure, harder to hack into your phone, and it's access and enable from settings app. Tip 4, enabling dark mode. It causes less eye strain, saves battery due to pixels being turned off on AMO LED or OLED displays. Increase battery life. You can access this enable from settings app. Tip 5, change display size. Larger text size help with vision problems. Easier to read text without causing too much strain on your eyes. Allows the readers to comprehend the text more easily. Access enable from the settings app. Tip 6, customize your notification panel. You could choose which settings you want quick access to. Rearrange the notification panel according to your preference. Easily change the brightness from the notification panel, and access the notification panel by swiping down on your screen. Tip 7, enable power saving mode. Choose from different settings to control the battery usage. Power consumption details can also be viewed. You can choose to show or hide the battery percentage in the status bar. Optimize battery usage to use your phone for longer without the need to charge it. Access enable from the settings app. Split screens to multitask. Enter split screen mode in order to navigate through two apps simultaneously. Some apps may not support split screen. Smaller space to view each app. Enable through settings, then activate by pressing and holding the app switcher icon. Tip number 9, set daily screen time limits. Set a time limit for screen use to regulate your tech exposure. Set time limits for certain apps. Show a warning once daily screen time limit has been reached. Requires password to change screen time. Access and enable this through the settings app. Tip number 10, enter one-handed mode. The full screen essentially becomes smaller. It's easier to use with one hand. Everything is compressed into a smaller portion of the screen for better reachability. Enable and settings activate by swiping down on the bottom of the screen. Exit one-handed mode by clicking outside the smaller area. Tip number 11, home screen widgets. Access quick information without having to open certain apps. Variety of widgets to choose from. Shows information such as time, weather, steps taken, and music. Move apps and widgets around by tapping and holding them. Tip number 12, change system navigation method. Single key navigation. Use bottom bar to navigate. 3-key navigation. Keys to go back, return to home screen, or view recent apps. Gestures. Swipe on the screen to perform different tasks. Slide up to go to the home screen. Swipe and hold to view recent apps. Access and alter from setting apps. System navigation methods. There's single key navigation, 2-key navigation, and 3-key navigation. Swipe from any edge to perform back action. Swipe from the bottom to return to home, and swipe up from the bottom to pause to bottom and pause to enter task. Okay, I'm gonna show you a live demo now. So first I'm gonna show you how to adjust the brightness on your phone. So you need to swipe down on your you need to swipe down on your phone, and then you could see the brightness bar at the bottom. You could adjust it to whatever you want, go higher, lower. Next I'm gonna show you how to move apps around. So like it looks kind of disorganized here. So you just hold down on the app, and then you could drag it wherever you want to. So I can move this, I can move these. I can make it more organized. Like that. Next I'm gonna show you how to put a fingerprint and Face ID on your phone if you have the option. So you just go on settings, you scroll down so you see biometrics and security, you press it. Then you could do face recognition or fingerprint over there. Now I'm going to show you different display settings. Right now my phone's on light mode, but you could change it to dark mode if you to help your eyes. It's more healthier. There's also eye comfort shield. It keeps your eyes comfortable by limiting blue light and using warmer colors. Using at night can make it easier to fall asleep, so this is a good option. Put that on. Also, you could change the font style. See, this is a regular text, how big it will be. But if you can't really see this properly, you could just adjust the size, make it bigger. And then all your text will be this size, so you can see it more easily. Yeah. Yeah. You can also change your wallpaper from here. This is the one I have right now. You could pick a photo from your gallery or other places. So if you wanna put your phone on make sound when you get a notification, it's right on this one right here, sound. Or if you want it to vibrate, put it like on vibrate or mute. If you want to change your ringtone, you could press this option. And there's a bunch of options you could pick. Retro, fun, calm. There's a bunch of different options. Yeah. Notifications. If you want to put your phone on do not disturb, just press this. Put it on if you want. Battery and device here. Go optimize your battery. Yes. These are your apps. You can see how much storage they take. You can delete them from here too, I think. Yeah. Connections, yeah. Your Bluetooth, if you want to connect to your Bluetooth device, this is the options. And these are on the bottom, there's different devices that you can connect to. You just have to turn the Bluetooth on from the device, and then you can connect it from there. I'll just show you how you could do the fingerprint. I could show you. So you just press on fingerprint, you put your code in, and then you just follow the steps here. First, you put your finger, any finger you want to use, and then you could create your own fingerprint. And also same with Face ID. Put your code in. Then you could just register your face through here. Yeah. Some software. There's some hearing enhancements here. Hearing aid support, amplify ambient sound, adapt sound for people who are hard of hearing. Talkback. When Talkback is on, provide spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. Talkback is intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. This is good for people like that. Visibility enhancements. Large display, yeah. Hearing enhancements. Sound. There's some advanced settings too. Accessibility button. Oh, there's like a button you could put on the bottom of your phone for easy accessibility. Yeah, I guess that's it for now.